Students, good morning. Students, today we are going to start a very interesting chapter, that is chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. The coordinate geometry is used to find the exact location or the position of an object using the two axes, the horizontal axis, that is x-axis, and the vertical axis, that is a y-axis. Even we are also very much used to this coordinate geometry, and it is also used in our day-to-day life activity. So let us see how. Fine. So this is an example of classroom. Here the 5 rows are there, A, B, C, D, E, and the 4 benches are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I say to get the position of a child of row C and bench number 3. So what will you do? Come to the A, B and C and 1, 2 and 3. Fine. Similarly, if I say to get the location of a child of row E of bench number 2, so we'll come A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2. Fine. So this is the way you can get the exact location of a child. Fine. But this is very much limited. The usage is limited because the alphabets are limited. The alphabets are up to Z. So in order to come out from this problem, this coordinate geometry came into picture. So let us see about the coordinate geometry. The coordinate geometry has Cartesian plane or xy plane, or we can also say the coordinate plane, the plane of x and y axis. The horizontal axis is called as the x axis and the vertical axis is called as the y axis. The horizontal axis, the right hand side is a positive and the left hand side is a negative. Similarly, y up is positive and y down is negative, and the numbers move endlessly in either position. Fine, you can move to this, the number will goes on, here also same, endless, here also endless, and here also endless. And where it meets both the axes, that is called as an origin, and 0, 0 it is represented. Fine. Now here you will be finding plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus. So you will be thinking about what is this. So before coming to this, let us know about the coordinate. So xy is a coordinate. Coordinate is the exact position or location of an object. Fine. So xy is the coordinate. The first is x. X means abscissa. Y means ordinate. Fine. So here x is positive and y is positive, so it is written plus plus. Here x is negative and y is positive, so it is written minus plus. Here x negative, y negative, so it is written minus minus. And here x positive and y negative, so it is written plus minus. That's why it is written in this way. And there are accordingly the 4 quadrants. It is divided: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. Now how it is helpful for locating a point, let us see. If I say to locate a point 3, 4, then what I will do? First let us see, the x is how much? 3, and y is how much? 4. So we will move 3 from the origin, 3 positive side, 1, 2, 3, distance of 3 positive side, and distance of 4 in the positive side, in the y axis. Fine. So this is 3, 4. Similarly, if I say to find the location of minus 2, 3, that means from origin negative distance of 2 I will move 1, 2, and in the y axis positive, this is x, this is y, and in the y positive 3 I will move 1, 2, 3. So this is minus 2, 3. Similarly, if I say to find minus 4, minus 3, that means x negative 4 distance I will move and y negative 3 distance I will move. Where it will meet, that will be minus 4 and minus 3. Fine. So in this way the coordinate geometry is very helpful for getting the exact location of an object or any point. Fine. So in this video we have completed the introduction part of the chapter, and in the next video we are going to start with the exercise. Okay, thank you.